Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with our second chapter. We are going to continue from minerals can be divided into three types. This is your second part. In this, you have three types of minerals. Metallic minerals, examples are raw iron, copper, gold, zinc, etc. Non-metallic minerals are diamond, ruby, limestone, china clay, etc. Power generating minerals are coal, natural gas, mineral oil, etc. Further, some more examples are given here. You can read it. Now, next it is page number 11. Places where minerals are available. Here, one table is given. Here, minerals are given and the states where these minerals are found. So, you can see, you can refer the table, read it, and understand that where these minerals are available. Next important topic is uses of minerals. How minerals are used. Manganese is used in chemical industries, pesticides, glass, varnish and printing industries. Copper is used in electric wires, material, colored glass, coins and printing industries. Bauxite is used in electric materials, colors, airplanes, etc. Mica is used in making radio, telephone, airplane, gramophone, soundproof curtains, etc. So here it is given that where these minerals are used, where we can use these minerals. Okay. Now next page you have page number 12, land resources. A large area covered chiefly with numerous trees and undergrowth is called a forest. Now, what is forest? First, we will learn about the definition of forest. How we can understand that what is forest? Forest is a large area covered chiefly with numerous trees and undergrowth, means the trees are growing, that is known as forest. Forest can an invaluable source of wealth of a nation. There are different type of forest in India because of its physiography and climate. There are 5000 types of trees in India. India ranks 10th in the world in terms of the availability of a variety of vegetation. Since ancient times, India is renowned for medicinal herbs. There is mention of almost 2000 varieties of herbs and trees in Ayurveda. So, in this paragraph, we understood about the different types of trees and medicinal herbs. Medicinal herbs like amla, brahmi, aloe vera, tulsi, neem, etc. Now, here it is given that about evergreen forest, some points are given here. You will read and you can understand. About evergreen forest, it is given deciduous forest, the tidal or mangrove forest, then coniferous forest and thorny forest. Okay, if you will, 5 points are given, read it and it is very easy to understand. Now next is importance of forest. This topic is very important, this one, and conservation of forest, how we can conserve the forest. So first we will take importance of forest. Forests are very useful in the life of man. They provide us with primary and secondary products. They are economically and environmentally beneficial for a country. Now some points are given here. What are the importance of forests? Boats and steamers are made from the wood of the Sundari of the Sundarbans forest. Baskets, mats, toys, furniture, and artistic things are made from bamboo. Brooms are made from palm and date leaves, while catechu is made from catechu trees. Paper plum is made from deodar trees and turpentine is made from ched trees. Tea boxes, matchsticks, sports equipment, artificial fibers and vitamins are also made from deodar and ched trees. Sealing wax is used for making varnish, ink for printing, materials for electronic devices and gramophones. So all these are importance of forest. These trees are very important because many different products are made from the trees. Now next is conservation of forest. Many measures have been undertaken for the conservation and protection of forest. They are, see here it is given, some points are given. Okay, read it and you will understand easily how we can conserve, or how we can save the forest. See, what pictures are also given. It is given here, a message is given: to cut a tree is to kill a man. Okay, see here, cutting trees lead to killing lives. Okay, so you will easily understand after reading it. Now next you have, this is your project work. I have already given you the project. Okay, you have to complete it and the submission date will be given to you when you have to come and submit the project. Next you have wildlife resource. The wildlife of India is different and varied. Different species of birds and animals from all over the world are there in India. The variety of wildlife found in India increases the natural beauty of the country. So, this paragraph tells us about the wildlife resources. There are different species of birds and animals from all over the world in our India. So, here different points are given. So, you can read it. It is given about elephants and many other animals and birds. The wild ass, the tigers of West Bengal, leopards, variety of birds are given. Birds includes cranes, etc. Okay, fish, variety of fish and all, it is given here. So only you have to read this. You read the points and it is given easily, you can understand. Next page you have centuries of India. Here it is given, one table is given about centuries. There are 490 sanctuaries and 89 national parks in India. This table is very important. You read it thoroughly and understand. See, there are 490 sanctuaries and 89 national parks. Um, See, example you can understand: Kaziranga, Run of Thar, Kanha, etc. In this column, it is given about national sanctuaries, in which state it is there, and which birds and animals are there in that national park. So you read it properly and understand. This topic is very important for your exam also. Next page you have preservation and conservation of natural resources. How we can preserve and conserve our natural resources. Okay, so how to conserve them, how to save them. Okay, water, first is your water. Water is an important natural resource. As we all know that water is very important for our life. Mercifully, 2% of water on earth is suitable for human consumption. Polluted and poisonous water released from industries are rapidly polluting the underground water. This is posing a tremendous danger for all life forms as well as the environment. Thus, alternatives means to reuse polluted water must be discovered. School and college curriculum must include forest development related content to inculcate awareness among students. Similarly, measures must be taken to protect forest from forest fires and minimize loss of life and property. As we know that water is very important for us. Related to water, then next forest. Forest means trees, and then we have birds and animals. So all should be preserved, and conservation, their safetyness, they should be kept safe. So these are the some of the conservations which are necessary to protect them from from losing their life and property. Next is, minerals are nature's gift to man. It is available in limited quantities and so must be utilized judiciously. Alternative means to conserve and preserve minerals must be found. Motivation should be provided to reuse minerals repeatedly. So minerals can be preserved, and it can be, we should find the measures how we can reuse the minerals. Next is, continuous deforestation has endangered many species of wild animals. In fact, certain species are extinct in some forest areas. Birds and animals are poached for their skin, feathers, bones, horns, teeth, and even meat. Illegal and merciless killing of wild animals must be controlled. Citizens must be aware of the importance of wild animals. Correct information should Correct information about the environment, forest, flora and fauna should be provided to people. Sanctuaries and national parks should be developed. So these are the some of the measures taken to preserve and save the animals. Here some words are there. See here, second line, birds and animals are poached for their skin. Poached means they are cruelly killing the birds and animals for their skin, for their feathers, for their bones, etc. And here flora means flowers. Okay. And fauna means animals. Okay. Should be provided to people. So they should be also safe. If animals, birds, flowers, fruits all will be saved, then we will be trying to take good things from them. Sanctuaries and national parks should be developed, and for their preservation and conservation, sanctuaries and national parks should be developed. And last one is, people should be made aware of wildlife through nature education camp. So camps should be there. Campaign should be there for the welfare of the birds, animals, uh, forest, etc. Okay. So with this we have completed our chapter. I have already given you your workbook, question answers and all. You have to complete till your second chapter in your workbook.